Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to power off Samsung M52 5G phone. Guys, you want to guys power off guys your Samsung phone guys and guys any Android phone. So guys, how can you power off? And by guys Samsung phone guys, we have different setting guys. How can you power off? So guys, now let's see. So guys, you can see guys if you guys press on guys your power off button. So guys, you can see it will not power off. So guys, how can you power off your Samsung phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys first of all when subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So guys, now time to start video. And first of all guys, how can you power off? So as you can see guys, your volume down button, and guys press your volume down button with power off button. Then guys, you can see guys your power off and reset option or restart option. So guys, as I told you guys, how can you power off? So guys, we'll click on power off option. Then guys, it will power off it. So guys, we will appear. So guys, now we will on it. Then guys, you can on guys power off button only guys. Press on guys only power off button. Guys, you can on it. But guys, you want to power off, so guys you will have to click on guys your volume down button with power off button. Then guys, you can off your Samsung M52 5G phone. So guys, we will on it. So it will on it. So I hope friends you have understood how to power off and guys how to power on our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.